You've probably seen these AI animated images and you might be wondering how these images are created. Well, it's quite simple. And as a graphic designer, you can use these images for your projects. It's quite simple, no design software required. Let me show you. Open your web browser and type in ChatGPT and upload your image from your computer. So after uploading your image, you type in your prompt, and I will put the prompt in the description so that you can make little adjustments and use it for yourself. After that, click send. This might take a bit since people are creating images on ChatGPT right now. So after a few minutes, your picture or your image will be ready, and this is how it looks. So you can download it by simply click on the image, and then you might click on this download icon here, and your image is ready. So with this, ChatGPT asks you to describe what you want in addition to what you have. So from here, I typed in another prompt asking ChatGPT add a modern, colorful studio background to what I have already. And fast forward, it did its magic again. If you want to download it, click on the download icon here or tap on your image and also click on the download icon from here. You see, it's that simple. So share this with your friends and families, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.